There was a man who was born in the northern part of India. His name was Kabir. Kabir transformed many lives throughout his life and continues transforming even today. Kabir had many disciples who were good in literature. Today, we are going to listen a song that has been written by his disciple Bhavaninath. This particular song gained popularity in the year 2020 when it was used in a popular Indian web series. So, let us listen to this song sung by my friend Siddharth and try decoding it.
मत कर माया को अहंकार, मत कर काया को अभिमान, काया कार से कांची। मत कर माया को अहंकार, मत कर काया को अभिमान, काया कार से कांची। कायागार से कांची रे जैसे ओसरा मोती, झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका, पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासे। ऐसा सख्त था महाराज जिनका मुल्कों में नाम, जिन घर झूलता हाथी, जिन घर झूलता हाथी जैसे ओसरा मोती, झोंका झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका, पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी। भरिया सिंधड़ा में तेल जहाँ से रचियो ये सब खेल, जल रही दियारी बाती, जल रही दियारी बाती रे जैसे ओसरा मोती, झोंका झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका, पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासे। घुट गया सिंधड़ा रो तेल, बिखर गया है सब निज खेल, बुझ गई दियारी बाती, बुझ गई दियारी बाती रे जैसे ओसरा मोती, झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका, पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी। झूठा माई थारा बाप झूठा, सकल परिवार झूठे कूटता छाती, झूठी कूटता छाती रे जैसे ओसरा मोती, झोंका झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका, पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासे। आहम लाल में का लाल तेरा, कौन क्या हवाल, जिनको जम ले जासे, जिनको जम ले जासी रे जैसे ओसरा मोती, झोंका झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका, पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी। बोलिया भवानी नाथ गुरु जी ने सर पे धरिया कर माया को अहंकार मत कर, काया को अभिमान काया गार से कांची, काया तेरी गार से कांची।
I believe that you must have enjoyed this beautiful song. So, what do we learn from this song? Bhavani Nath says that when we are born, we come here alone. Where we are born is not in our control. When we are going to die is not in our control. Death is just a moment. You don't even get time to absorb death. Though birth and death is not in our control, the thing that is in our control is how we want to live our life between birth and death. We take unnecessary pride in many materialistic things like money, wealth, power, and even our body. These all things are just going to vanish one day. The palace of our ego and the materialistic things is going to collapse one day. Then, why do we live our lives with misery and make everything around us miserable? We run behind an illusion throughout our life. The thing that we think we own doesn't actually belong to us. So, we should not get carried away by this illusion. He says that one who is blessed by a guru or master is wise enough to not run behind the illusion. The one who is blessed by a guru is able to attain liberation from all kinds of illusion. So, friends, from next time when you run behind anything materialistic, try understanding that it doesn't belong to us. Using expensive mobile phones and buying luxurious things is not wrong, but you should never get carried away by these things. The one who stays humble attains liberation and lives a happy and peaceful life.